Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 2, that is Gateway Vacations. Basically this is the second chapter of Excel section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments or Access assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp or email that is mentioned in the description of this video. You can see my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments and all programming assignments as well. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos as I am uploading useful solutions for you. Let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 2 hands-on exercise assessment Gateway Vacations. So this is the title of this assignment and this is the second chapter of Excel section of my IT Lab course. So at start of the instruction you can see this project description. This project description has nothing to do with the assignment. You can read this project description to get an idea about the assignment. But I will move to step number 1 because main part of the assignment is starting from step number 1. So in step number 1 it is saying that download and open the file name Exp19 chapter 2 assessment TimeShare. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. It is saying that download and open the file named Exp19. So basically we are supposed to download the Excel workbook where we will apply all these instructions to get this assignment done. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet and I have shown you, and you can get this Excel workbook from your My IT Lab dashboard. And your name will be automatically added to your Excel workbook. So step number 1 has nothing to do. It's only about the downloading of the Excel workbook. So we will move to step number 2. So in step number 2 it is saying that click cell B2, click the formulas tab, click date and time in the function library group, select now and then click OK to enter today date in the cell. So basically we are supposed to insert the today date in the cell B2, and for this we will use a function that is called now. So let me show you this one. So this is cell B2 and you can insert this from formulas, date and time, and we are supposed to insert this now function, and you can see that it is showing the current date along with the current time. So this is required in step number 2. So we are done with step number 2. We are supposed to insert the current date. So let me move to next step, that is step number 3. So in step number 3 it is saying that click cell D9 on the formulas tab, click logical in the function library group and select if type C9 less than B6. In the logical test box type B9 multiplied by B4 in the value if true box, and type B9 multiplied by B5 in the value if false box. Click OK and use the fill handle to copy the content of cell D9 down to the column. Click autofill option and click without formatting. So basically we are supposed to use an if function in step number 3, and we are supposed to use an if function in cell D9. So this is cell D9, and you can look for if function in the logical group, this one. But if you don't find here, let me show you this one. Sorry, this is financial, this is logical. You can see this if function is here. But if you type equal sign it, you can type if, so if function will appear there. So now we will click on this insert function symbol so that we can enter the function arguments. So logical test is given, that is C9 less than B6. So this is logical test, C9 less than B6. So this is the given logical test. You can see that C9 less than B6. So this logical test will check if C9, that is 382, is less than B6. So B6 is given here, that is 450. Then if it is true, then it will return B9 multiplied by B4. So it will return B9 multiplied by B4. So if value is true, it will return B9 multiplied by B4, and if the value is not true, it will return B9 multiplied by B5. So we will type B9 multiplied by B5. So you can see that C9 is less than B6, so it will return B4 multiplied by B9, otherwise it will return B5 multiplied by B9. Now we are supposed to use a fill handle to get the other values. So I will simply use this, and we are supposed to use without formatting. So click this arrow and select fill without formatting. So we are done with this step, that is step number 3. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 4 now. Step number 4. So step number 4 is click cell E9 and type equal sign. So we are supposed to type this one in cell E9 and use the fill handle to copy the content of cell E9 down to the column. Click autofill option and click without formatting. So basically we are supposed to enter this formula, this one, B9 minus D9 divided by B9. So we are supposed to enter this formula. So let's move to E9. So this is E9, and we are supposed to enter the formula, that is B9 minus D9 divided by B9. Let me confirm this one, B9 minus D9 divided by B9. So we will type an equal sign before this one. So we will get this value, and now we are supposed to use the fill handle to get the other values in that column. So I can use the fill handle, and we are supposed to use the fill without formatting. So we will click this arrow sign and we will select fill without formatting. So it will maintain the basic table format. So we are done with step number 4. Let's move to next step, that is step number 5. Click cell F9 and type B9 is B9 minus D9. So we are supposed to type this in F9 and press Ctrl plus Enter. Use fill handle to copy the content of cell F9 down to the column, and we will use the fill without formatting. So we will simply type B9 minus D9 in cell F9. So this is F9, and we are supposed to type B9 minus D9. And we are supposed to press Ctrl plus enter and we will get this value. So again we will use the fill handle to get the other values in this column. So let me complete this. And again we will click on this arrow symbol to select fill without formatting. So we have completed 5 steps so far. I am showing you step by step how you can complete these assignments on your own. But if you want me to do your assignments, if you want me to do your complete courses, please contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description. Let's move to next step, that is step number 6. So step number 6 is click cell G9, click lookup and reference in the function library group and select VLOOKUP. So basically we are supposed to use the lookup function in cell G9 and type C9 in the lookup value box, type D4 up to E6 in the table array group, and then type 2 in the column index. Okay, so basically we are supposed to use the lookup function in cell G9 and our function arguments are given. So I will simply go to cell G9 and you can type equal sign and type lookup function. A lookup function will appear there. So now we will click on this insert function symbol so that we can type the function arguments. So we have lookup value that is mentioned, C9 is the lookup value. So we will type C9 here. Now table array is also given. Table array is D4 up to E6. D4 up to E6. And column index is also given, that is 2. And we will simply click OK and we will get the result for this lookup function, and you can see that we got the result for this lookup function. So you can insert the lookup function from here. You can see the lookup and references and you can look for the lookup function, this one. So or you can type it here or you can use the function from here as well, from the function library group. So that is all about step number 6. So basically we have solved 6 steps for this assignment. And now let's do step number 7. With cell G9 selected, use the fill handle to copy the content of cell G9 down to the column stopping at row 28. Click autofill option and click without formatting. With the range G9 up to G28 selected, on the home tab in the number group, click increase decimal twice. So basically we are supposed to use the fill handle to get the other values in this column, and then we will increase the decimal point for this column G. So let me use this one first, fill handle. So we got the values and now we are supposed to use fill without formatting. And you can see that G9 up to G28 is selected. Just go to the home tab and go to the number and click arrow, and now we will increase the decimal places to 2. And you can see that we got the result for column G. So I think we are done with step number 7. Let's move to next step, that is step number 8 now. Step number 8 is click cell H9, type G9 over 12 and press Ctrl plus Enter. Use the fill handle to copy the content of cell H9 down to the column, stopping at row 28. So basically we are supposed to type, where is H9, this is H9, we are supposed to type G9 over 12. This is G9 over 12, and now we are supposed to use the fill handle without formatting to get the other values. So we got this one. And then we are supposed to increase the decimal places twice for this range of G9 up to H9 up to H28. So let me increase the decimal places twice, and you can see that we got the result for this one. So that is all about step number 8. So let me do step number 9 now. So it is saying that click cell J9, type I9 multiplied by 12 and press Ctrl plus Enter. Use the fill handle to copy the content of cell J9 down to the column. Click autofill option and click without formatting. So we are supposed to type I9 multiplied by 12. And we are supposed to use the fill handle without formatting to get the values for this one. And I think we have completed 9 steps so far. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 10 now. So I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video as well. So basically I have shown you 9 steps so far, and if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. But let me control this for you as well. So step number 10. K9, so click cell K9, click the formula step, click financial and then click PMT, type H9 in the rate box, J9 in the NPR box and type minus F9 in the PR box. So basically we are supposed to use the monthly payment function, and we are supposed to calculate the monthly payment by using the monthly payment function. So I will simply type PMT and we will get the PMT function, and now click on this insert function symbol to get the other values. And so to insert the function arguments, so we are supposed to type H9 in the rate box. So I will simply type H9 in the rate box, then J9 in the NPR box, J9 in the NPR box, and minus F9 in the PV box, that is the present value. So we will simply get the result. Use the fill handle. Again we are supposed to use the fill handle to get the other values, that is step number 11. So I will simply use the fill handle to get the other values and fill without formatting. So we are done with step number 11 as well. Let's move to next step, that is step number 12 now. Click cell K9 and press Alt plus equal sign and press Enter. 829, Alt plus equal, Enter. So this is used for the sum function. So I have done this one. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 13. So we are supposed to type count A9 up to A28 in cell B32. So we will move to step B32. This is C32, this is B32, and we are supposed to use the function count. A9 up to A28. So we got the result for this one. Now we will move to the next step, that is step number 15. So we are supposed to use the minimum function. It's B23. So I will type minimum A9 up to A28. Sorry, A9 up to A20. A28. Control plus enter. So we are done with step number 14 now. So now we are supposed to do step number 15. So we are supposed to use maximum function. It's B34. So I will use max function. Again K9 up to K28 and close. We will get the result for this one. We are done with 15 steps, and next one is the 16. We are supposed to use the average function instead B35. So I will type average K9 K28, close plus enter, and last one is we are supposed to use the median function and B36. So I will use the median function now. Sorry, median function K9 up to K28, and we are done with this one. So basically I have shown you this complete assignment, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that is given in the description of this video. My email and WhatsApp is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can hire me for your complete course, including Excel assignments, Word assignments or PowerPoint assignments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video.